Hey y'all, good afternoon. I mean evening. It's late. It's like 6 o'clock, but I went and bought a new SD card, so we got a whole new memory card on deck. No more me deleting videos, being lazy, trying not to go to the store to get another card. I'm here, okay, with new memory. Anyway, I genuinely came here to do a little quick cook with me video. I did not come here to ramble because I feel like I be rambling in all my videos. So I came here to do a quick cook with me. I'm about to go change out of my work clothes really quickly, and I don't want to show y'all my work skirt, but this stupid box is annoying. Let me show y'all. Let me move this old broke box. So I got this little doozy, this one here from Shein, and while it don't look flattering or like anything right now, I did have on a little sweater that made it a little cuter. It's just a little skirt. I'm short, so it does almost scrub the floor. Got the little, what are these called? Abstract lines on them to make it a little woo-wop. Now, the zipper don't come with that little clamp, so I can't zip it all the way. Look, because I know I'm a little chunky. But, yeah. So I thought I got my little outfit a little razzle-dazzle this morning. So, I'm about to go change out of these clothes. I also was watching my girl Alexis Rebecca yesterday, and I was seeing her. She was what she was doing, I'm gonna put on my Jackson State shirt. She was making smoothie bags. So she had fruit or whatever, and she chopped it up fresh and everything, and then she put it in Ziploc bags and froze it for when she wanted to make her smoothies the next day. So I said, that's good, because I did say that I want the cans of coffee out because I don't genuinely need it. It's a placebo to me. I need to smell it. Like, I feel like I need it, but I really don't. And it don't work, and it doesn't give me any energy. So I said I was gonna just transition from coffee and start making smoothies. So I'm gonna start that tomorrow. So I got a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm gonna come back. We're gonna get it popping. I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna do the smoothie bags, and then I got some work to do. But I literally just came to do a cook with me video, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna end it here, and I'll be back. Silly me, I forgot to get bell peppers, onions, and stuff like that. But anyway, still gotta eat. Show must go on. So back to it. Mama said the greatest thing in life are free. What about lust? What about trust? What about fun? She said, you know that I do. Oh, you do, babe. Hope you do now. Do you like love? Yeah. Me too, babe. Yeah. Do you like love? Do you like love? Yeah, me too. So what we're gonna do tonight? So I got everything seasoned up. That's just the beef tips. So I'm making beef tips and sausage, and it's gonna be smothered. Yeah, my boyfriend from Louisiana, he smothers everything, okay? So I'm low-key just a little bit addicted to it, and it's quick. You can throw it on the oven, let it cook for a couple of hours. You don't too much have to watch it unless you put more water in it. And then I can get some work done. So got it in the pot. I am about to brown it. I'm about to brown it, and then once it browns, I'm gonna add some water, and then, well, before it browns, I'm gonna add the sausage, and then I'm gonna add water, and then I'm gonna let it simmer, cook all together, let the beef tender up, and then put on my pot of rice, and it should be done. But I'm gonna come back when it's done browning. Or when it browns. This is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna do you like drugs tonight. Do you like drugs?
midnight summer swim, private beaches, rock, paper, silhouette, best out of 3. Mama said the greatest thing in life are free. What about lust? What about trust? What about fun? She said, you know that I do. Oh, you do, babe. Hope you do now. Do you like love? Yeah. Dance a little harder till I feel like I know.
Okay, y'all, it's about to get a little foggy. Hold on, let me do it like this. Let the steam come off a little bit. So I added the sausage, as you can see. The beef is still cooking. The gravy, I'm gonna let that cook down a little bit more. I got the rice on back here. This is my first time cooking rice in a pot, so let's hope that I'm doing this accordingly. I could tell that some of the pieces are still hard, but I could see the pieces that are soft as well. So I think I'm doing good with that. But yeah, so that's almost the final product. That's what it came out to be, and that's the end of this video. I ain't want to show myself because I just got out the shower and I got on this big old t-shirt and I look a mess. But if you enjoyed my cooking with me, my beef stew and sausage and rice, well, the beef stew meat, then like the video so I could do some more. This was real basic. This was a minimal meal. This was a Tuesday, just got off work. I just need some food to eat tonight and then for lunch tomorrow. That's what this was. Nothing extravagant, okay? But if you even just liked a little bit of it, found a new meal, learned a new little recipe, like, comment, let me know what else you want to see, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video soon. Bye, good night.